Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you had a fantastic week. Okay, today is Friday, April the 25th. Okay, and we're on day number 16 of the My Lead Gen Secret System. I'm going to show you guys how to send out an email in the system, okay, and how you guys can get started with the My Lead Gen Secret System and how you can create a free Clickbank account and you guys can start making, earning extra income with this method. All right. So just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Lead Gen Secret System going over 3 years now. I totally love the service. Okay, let me go over to it real quick here. And I totally love the service, guys. Like I said, I've been with them over a few years. I use the service every single day. I send out emails to this traffic. And if you don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that gives you 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. So these people that are coming onto this email list, these people are looking for ways to earn income online. Okay. And it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and grab offers from various platforms such as Clickbank, you got Max Bounty, you got Blue Media Ventures. There's just so many network marketing platforms that you can go to. And you can grab those offers, even Warrior Plus as well. That's another major one that you can grab some of those offers. You can come over here to the My Legion Secret System, create an email, and use your links for those offers and those emails, and you guys can get traffic and get results, and in the end, earn a commission. All right. But for this challenge, guys, if you guys have not been following these video series, go back to day number 1 in this short challenge that we're doing and kind of get up to speed on kind of what we're doing here, guys. We're promoting this method, this offer. We're promoting one offer on Clickbank, and we're sending it to the My Legion Secret System. Now, on this channel, you can go back to the beginning of this channel and you can see kind of what I've been doing, okay, for this last few months that I did. I did complete another challenge where I was promoting different offers in Clickbank, so you can kind of get an idea that other offers work. Not only does this offer work that we're promoting, I was promoting other offers as well, 2 other offers as well that does work, and I was earning income with that. So you can go back and watch those videos if you want to watch those, okay? But if you guys want to get started, there's a link below this video to the My Legion Secret System, which is right here, which says Join My Legion Secret System. Go ahead and click on that link and go ahead and get started, okay? It's going to be a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then a monthly fee of $30 a month to keep it the service, okay? It's well worth it, guys. I mean, $30 a month for hundreds of emails, new emails every single day, or every single month. I would say that you would be getting lots of emails, new subscribers coming in. Is definitely well worth your $30 a month. Okay, and the cool thing about My Legion Secret is that those emails add up, and those emails will always be with you. So you'll be able to use those emails month in and month out, and you'll be able to send out different offers to those emails, and then see results from those emails. Okay. Now, if you guys get started with My Legion Secret, your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. Only thing that's different is going to be the emails that you guys are sending out. Your emails may look different from mine because if you're using, Chat GPT or other emails that you may have come up with. The emails that you would want to use are going to be the free emails from the vendor that we're using. Okay, so if you go to ClickBank there and we promoting in the Make Money Online niche, there's going to be free emails that you're going to be able to use in the system. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to send out an email. I'm not going to take too much of your time here. I'm just going to show you how to send out an email in the system. All right. This is the back office here. You got my leads to kind of show you how many leads that are coming in today. As you can see, it's the 25th of April. We got 200 extra leads today. Okay. So I've sent my email out not too long ago, and those emails that I sent out, okay, came, part of them are the emails that I got today. So I'm getting fresh new emails every single day, guys, which is really, really cool. Okay. Master email swipes. These are additional email swipes that you can buy to use for the system. Okay, but for this sake of this video, we're going to use just the free email swipes from Clickbank from the vendor that we're using. Okay. The main place that we're going to be at is going to be the mailing system. I mean, you got other tabs here, but you're going to just be messing around with this tab right here. This is going to be where you're going to be at. It's the mailing system, guys. So you're going to come in here. This is where you send your email. Okay. So you're going to grab your email. This is where all your emails are. Right now, I got over 200,000. I got 242,000 right, and 400 emails in this list. So I got quite a few people in this list. So what you want to do is click on that right here, select all of them. Now your list may not be as big if you're just starting out, which is no biggie. Okay, just take whatever emails that you have accumulated, whether it's 100, 200, 500, 1,000 or whatever. Okay, click on that link. It's going to come over here. Okay, that's going to load the portal up. That way, we're going to send out one email and it's going to go to all of these people that you've selected in your mailing list. Okay, so let's go ahead and go down here. Okay, now in every email, there's going to be a subject line and there's going to be a body. Okay, so it's the same thing with this system. That's why it's super easy to do, guys. So you're going to come here. All right. And you're going to grab the subject line. So let's go ahead and go over here to clickbank.com. And clickbank.com is a network marketing platform that you can go and grab free offers that you can use to promote to the My Legion secret system. Now, I've created a brand new account just for you guys, just for this challenge. I got multiple Clickbank accounts, but for this challenge, I wanted to just zero in one offer. We're going to do it for 1 year and we're going to see if we can turn this into a full-time income. All right. So let's go ahead and go over to the e-business. The only section that you need to be worried about is e-business, e-marketing. Now, I know you may have seen people out online that says that other, niches work with this traffic, but I'm gonna tell you now that if I promoted different offers and the niche that works the best is going to be e-business, e-marketing. So I don't want to, tell you to do something that I'm not doing. Okay. So I wouldn't recommend that you go to health and fitness or go to anywhere else and promote, offers because this is where you're going to make, you're going to see the best results at in this right here in this section. So just remember that you can go here and what you can do, guys, is you can go down. All these offers work. Okay, you got live chat jobs, get paid to use Facebook, which is paid social. You got paid online writing jobs. You got write out reviews. Okay, you got so many different offers that you can promote. But the top offers that you're going to want to promote are the first four. Okay. These four are going to be your money makers. All right. Now let's just talk about it real quick. Okay. I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to make anything because I don't know if you're going to go out and do what I'm doing right now. Okay. That's why I cannot guarantee you anything because I don't know your work ethic. I don't know you. Okay. Not yet. All right. So I don't know if you're going to go out, and grab your accounts from My Legion Secret. And I don't know if you're going to, come here and submit and do the same thing I'm doing, guys. So I cannot guarantee you, but what I can guarantee you is that if you follow what I'm doing, okay, and if you complete exactly what I do, okay, you will see progress. All right, I can tell you that now. All right. So I just wanted to throw that out there because I don't want you to have the lottery ticket mentality. Okay, I don't want you to think that you see something and you're going to send out an email and you're going to be a millionaire by next week. Okay. It just doesn't work that way, guys. You have to put in the work. Okay. No matter how long it takes, you got to put in the work. And why I say not how long does it take is because it can maybe take you a couple of weeks, maybe a week, maybe a few days, maybe a few months. Okay. It just depends on your work ethic and how you're sending out emails every single day. Okay. So I just wanted to throw that out there. I don't want to get on a soapbox and just start going rambling on and on about, things, but I do want to tell you that this is not some push button software. It does take effort, it does take time, and it does take patience. Okay. If you're somebody with no patience, you can't wait, you can't put in the time that it takes to be successful in something, you're not going to make it. Okay. You're going to give up, you're going to quit, and you're going to move on to something else. Okay. You're going to move on to the next shiny object. All right. So I'm just telling you guys that's just how it is, guys. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how to send out an email. The offer that we're going to be using for this challenge, guys, is called Live Chat Jobs. And the reason we're using this because it has a rebill of it of $20 every month coming in. So you do the work one time, you get paid, okay, for the trial. All right. After the free trial, you get paid. And then after that, you get paid for months and months and months of $20 over and over and over again. So the whole idea here, guys, is to get someone to sign up, okay, for this trial. And then they're going to stay on. The likelihood of them staying on is about 3 to 6 months, okay, of you receiving $20 over and over and over and over again. Okay. So that's our goal. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to the system. Let's go ahead into these are the free email swipes we're going to use. Okay, so just go over here to the email swipes. All right, and today we're on day number 16, so we're going to go down here to day number 16. Okay, we're going to grab this subject line, Control C, come back over here, and Control V. Super easy. We're going to come down here to the body of the text. We're going to click on perfect time, and I've already sent out my email just a little while ago. We're going to go to perfect time and we're going to click on here and we're going to grab the email from this body. Okay, we're just going to grab this, come down here, and there's going to be a link below here that we're going to use to put in this email. So let's go ahead and go back over here to this mailing system, grab that email, Control V, and now we have our email in the body. And you want to either put in your name or management, whichever one. You want to grab the name text, which is the embedded codes right here. We want to make sure that we address our customer by their first name. All right, so you just want to copy and then we want to paste that in right here. So when this email goes out, it says, hi, such and such. Hi, Jermaine. Hi, John. Hey, Jerry, whatever your name is. Okay. And you're going to want to put in that right there. So it addresses your prospect by their first name. Now, anywhere where it says click here or apply here or something like that, you're going to want to highlight that and you're going to want to put in your clickable link. Okay. So you want to click on this link tab and this is where we're going to be able to put in our link for our offer. All right. So we're just going to grab this, right? And then we're Control C. I'm back over here to the mailing system, guys. Control V. Super easy to do. You want to come here. You want to grab your affiliate ID, and you want to put in your affiliate ID. Okay. Don't put in my name. Okay. Put in your name. Okay. And put in your affiliate ID. Okay. So you can get the commission. All right. Just go ahead and click on OK. And what that does, as you can see, it turns that into a clickable link. So when this email goes out, our prospect is going to read it. Okay. And they're going to think that, okay, here's an opportunity for me to earn income. And they're going to click on that link, right? Just remember, you want to come back here and put in your link, put in your username, whatever that may be, right? And you want to click on OK. And boom, there you got it, guys. So as you can see, this is and you want to make this size either 16 or 18. Okay, that way when your prospect is looking at it, they can see the right size and they can look at the email and, not have to squint their eyes or something like that. Okay. And then where it says online from your country, I'm going to change that out. Okay. Just proofread your email and we're going to put your area. So that way it's just kind of more personal. Okay. So when everything looks good here, it's a really good email, guys. So when someone clicks on our email, whenever it goes out to all those thousands of people, you want to make sure right here when you want to click on preview, you want to click on this link to make sure that it goes to your affiliate ID. Okay. Now, if it doesn't go to your affiliate ID, you will not get paid. Okay. So you cannot be upset if you don't proofread and know that it's going to your affiliate ID before you send it out to your people. Okay, so that's very important that you do that, all right? So you want to come down here, you want to click on this link to make sure that works as well. After you know that your link works, I'm going to change this as well, guys. On demand, we want to put in your area. Okay, we want to make it more personable. Our prospect is going to click here. It's going to go to our web page. Just make sure that works. There's going to be a little red button that says send now. Okay, send now. Go ahead and send off the email, guys. Everything looks good. And boom, that's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system with Clickbank. All right. You grab an offer from Clickbank, you come over here and you send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system. It's very easy to do, very simple to do, guys. And this is how you do it. So we did send out an email last night, okay, with the Clickbank account here on one of this Clickbank account. So let's go and go to the reporting tab. Today is April the 25th. Yesterday we got over 1,100 hops, which is really good. It's really high. Unique hops, we got 742 people that came to our website that are brand new. Okay, we got 3 people that went to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Unfortunately, guys, we did not get any sales. We didn't get any rebuilds because we don't have any rebuilds right at the moment. All right. So right now, guys, we didn't get any sales today. Okay, we didn't get any sales yesterday. All right. So how do you feel about that? Right? I mean, it doesn't feel the best, right? But the thinking, the mentality that I want you guys to have, listen to me, guys. This is the mentality that I want you to have, right? Do not give up. Okay? Don't give up. It may be a little bit easier for me to say because I've already done this. Okay, trust me, I've already done this already. I went months, guys, sending emails every single day and didn't receive a dime. $0. Okay. So I'm going to tell you now, if you stick with this, if you get through this rough patch, you're going to see results. Okay. You're going to see results, guys, if you stick with it. And that's the reason why I'm sticking with it right now, guys, because I know the light is at the end of the tunnel. I know I got to get through this phase in order to show you guys that this stuff does work. Okay. So we didn't get any sales today. We didn't get any gross earnings. But I'm not going to hang my head right now. I'm going to wake up tomorrow and I'm going to do the same thing, right? I'm going to come back here. I'm going to meet you guys here. I sent out my email for tonight, which is really good. And I'm going to come back tomorrow and I'm going to check the results and see if I got a free trial. Okay. I'm looking for that free trial. The whole idea is to get these every day. Initial sales every day. If I can get a free trial every day and then get paid every few days after that, I know my next month I'm going to receive that money back. And then all I got to do is concentrate on getting initial sales every day. That's how you stack your accounts. All right. This video has went a little bit longer than I wanted. I'm going to end this video on that note. I wanted to show you guys how to send out an email in the system, which I showed you how to do. I wanted to show you the results from the email that we sent last night. We got people, we got traction. Okay. We got people interested. We just didn't get nobody to sign up and buy it today. No biggie. I'm going to come back tomorrow. I'm going to check tomorrow's results and I'm going to see if I got any other opportunities in the way where I can move forward for tomorrow. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.